Welcome to BioEng Academy, your ultimate destination for diving deep into the wonders of biology, crafted specifically for students with a thirst for knowledge. Here, we break down complex biological concepts into easy-to-understand educational tutorials, making learning both fun and engaging. What sets us apart? Tailored content. Our videos are designed to cater to students at various levels of their education journey, whether you're just starting or diving into more advanced topics. Diverse topics, from the mysteries of human anatomy to the intricate ecosystems of the world, BioEng Academy covers a vast array of subjects, ensuring there's something for every biology enthusiast. Clear, concise explanations. We prioritize clarity and accessibility in our presentations, ensuring you walk away with a solid understanding of the topic at hand. Expect to explore life sciences fundamentals, cellular biology insights, evolutionary biology discoveries, environmental biology and conservation, human anatomy and physiology, and much more. We're here to support your learning journey, offering insights, tips, and tricks to ace your biology studies. Subscribe to stay updated with our latest tutorials and embark on this exciting educational adventure with BioEng Academy. Dive into the world of biology like never before and uncover the secrets of life with us.